Hey everybody, Fred here with RedlineAutosports.com. This is our 1969 True RS. It's got a 396 in it and SS badges, tacking gauges, 10-volt posi rear end, chrome torque thrust wheels with BF Goodrich radial tires, headlights open and close, big block runs great, it's got the SS hood, all of that. Small tag card, no X code, marked serpentine pulley system, it's really nice. It's got an AC compressor and a complete vintage air AC kit, but it has not been installed. It's in the box, ready to go. What a pretty car. It is a bright red, probably one or two shades off from orange. Absolutely gorgeous. I'd call that victory red is what I would call it. Power disc brakes up front, power steering, black standard interior, rosewood wheel, tacking gauges, console, cup holders in the console, nice door panels, nice seat covers. She's got a nice little thump to that motor. It's got a black hockey stripe and a black vinyl top that's factory. Absolutely beautiful car. Sure has a nice thump to it. Nice headliner, black carpet, black dash pad, black console, black seat covers and door panels. My buddy that owned the car drove the car here from Kingston. She's solid, and he said he would not be afraid to drive it anywhere. So call Fred, 580-221-4326. You can also text me. Check us out at RedlineAutosports.com. Y'all have a blessed day.